In this video, we're going to be talking about State Street login issues and how you can simply go ahead and fix common problems. To fix common State Street login issues, first try basic browser and troubleshooting. So let me just go ahead and talk about a couple of problems that keeps reoccurring. So first things first, it could be a forgotten password or PIN. So use the forgot your password or forgot option right over here in order to go ahead and potentially solve this issue. The second could be where your account would be locked. After 3 failed attempts, normally your account will lock for security. To unlock it, you must contact your State Street client service office or offices or help desk representatives. There could also be another problem you could be facing, and which is invalid password or username. You can simply go ahead and re-enter your credentials carefully. Passwords for some portals may have specific requirements. Example, length, character types, ensure your username. Sometimes an email address is correct. There could be another problem, which would be browser related errors. So clear your browser's cache and cookies, ensure your browser is up to date and compatible, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, or even Edge are generally recommended. Try using an incognito or private window to rule out issues caused by extensions or saved settings. There could also be a connectivity issue, so you can also verify your internet connection is stable. Check if your security software like firewall, antivirus is blocking access to the site. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything that you need to know. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.